How to change theme to dark mode on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change theme to dark mode on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and then click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and then click settings and now click account info, and now here you will find theme. Just click on it and click dark and save it. And as you see, that's how to change your theme to dark mode on Roblox mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.